Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add money to Apple Pay Cash. So in this quick video, there is really not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Why would you want to add money into your Apple Pay? Well, that's pretty easy. When you have money in your Apple Pay, you can easily send money via iMessage to your friends and family. So it's a quick and easy way to transfer money. Whatever the case, it's a pretty easy process. It's all handled here in the Apple Wallet. You will see this window will be pop up for you. So it will show you some information and details about your Apple Pay. However, in order to add money into your Apple Pay, go ahead and click on this button right here called add money. It has a little money icon next to it. Okay. One thing I want to let you know is that if you do not have a bank debit card like Chase or Bank or America or Wells Fargo attached to your Apple Pay, you will be prompted to add one in here. So now you get to choose how much money you would like to add into your Apple Cash here. Now the minimum that you can add into your Apple Cash is going to be $10. So you can easily just do this quick button right here, or you can go ahead and type in exactly how much you would like to add into your Apple Cash. After this, you have to click on this blue add button here on the top right. It's processing. Okay, next this pop-up happened. Let me know what I'm going to be adding money into my Apple Pay. Go ahead and double click this side button to confirm the transaction. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.